project that aims to explore the potential of trees and artificial intelligence (AI) to create a more beautiful and sustainable future for our planet. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of trees, their importance to our environment, and how AI can play a role in their growth and preservation. Trees have always been an essential part of our planet's ecosystem, providing us with oxygen, purifying the air, conserving water, and providing habitat for countless species of plants and animals. They are nature's carbon capture machines, helping to mitigate climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and storing it in their trunks, branches, and roots. However, deforestation, climate change, and urbanization are putting our planet's trees at risk, with devastating consequences for our environment and biodiversity. But what if we could use AI to help trees thrive and make our planet more beautiful? That's exactly what the What If project is all about. Through cutting-edge technologies and innovative approaches, we're exploring the possibilities of using AI to enhance tree growth, improve forest management, and promote sustainable practices. And partnerships with local communities, we aim to promote a sense of responsibility and ownership among individuals and communities towards trees and their conservation. In conclusion, What If is an innovative project that explores the synergies between trees and AI to create a more beautiful and sustainable future for our planet. By leveraging the power of data, machine learning, and community engagement, we believe that we can enhance tree growth, optimize forest management, and promote sustainable practices, ultimately contributing to a healthier, greener, and more beautiful planet for generations to come. So join us in this exciting journey of exploring the potential of trees and AI, because when we combine nature's wisdom with the power of technology, the possibilities are limitless. Together, let's imagine and create a future where trees thrive, and our planet blooms with beauty. If you enjoyed this video and want to support our cause, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and help us spread awareness about the importance of trees and AI in environmental conservation. Thank you for your support, and let's work together to make a positive impact on our planet.